let's see question number 2 in figure 6.41. okay, in this figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. okay, triangle ODC, this triangle is similar to triangle OBA, this triangle. So these are the two similar triangles. Now angle BOC is 125 degree. Now this angle BOC is 125 degree, and angle CDO is equal to 70 degrees. Angle CDO, this angle is 70 degree. Find angle DOC. okay, DOC is this angle. Angle DCO, which is this angle, and angle OAB, this angle. okay, so this and this are the three angles that we're going to find out now. Solution. First, let's find out this angle DOC, this angle. Now how we can find out this angle is, now this is DB. I'm going to throw here DB, and then this OC I'm going to throw here like this. This is O, this is C. Now this is a straight line, so these two angles forms a linear pair. So if you add these two angles, you will get 180 degree. So that is what we're going to write here. Angle DOC plus angle BOC, this is equal to 180 degree, because these two angles forms a linear pair. Now angle DOC plus angle BOC. Now this angle BOC is given here 125 degree. This is the angle 125 degree. Now this is 180 degree, and this is angle DOC is equal to 180 degree minus, now let's transpose this to the right hand side, so we get here minus 125 degree. Now this is 180 minus 25 is 55 degree. So this angle is DOC is 55 degree. So we got the first one. Now to find this DCO, the second one, DCO, now we're going to use this triangle, the properties of triangle, that is angle sum property. Now if you add these three angles, then you will get 180 degree. So now let's write in triangle DOC. Now angle DOC plus angle CDO, this angle CDO plus angle DCO, this angle DCO, this will be equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Now angle DOC is 55 degree plus angle CDO is 70 degree, which is given here. Angle CDO is equal to 70 degree, yeah, this one, and plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree. Now this is 55 plus 70 is 125 plus angle DCO, this is equal to 180 degree. Now this is angle DCO is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. Now we're transposing this to the right side. So now angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 25 is 55 degree. So now again this angle DCO we are getting 55 degree. So this is also 55 degree. 55 degree. Now we have one more angle to be found out. This is the angle OAB. Now here this angle. Now to find out this, we will use the properties of similarity. So the question says these two triangles are similar. So according to question, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. This is given. Since given. Now since these two triangles are similar here, since these two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. There is one very important thing which you have to know here. Supposing we have a triangle like this, as I have already explained. Let me explain it here again so that you don't get confused next time. So let's say this is 30 degree and 60 degree. Let's say this is 60 degree and this is 60 degree, and let's say this is 50 degree, and let's say this is 50 degree, and here 70 degree and here 70 degree. Now let's say this is DEF and PQR. Now here in these two triangles, this is 60, angle D is 60, and angle here Q is 60 degrees. So these are two corresponding angles, corresponding parts, and this is 50 degree here, angle E, and angle R is 50 degrees. So this is the corresponding parts, and this are corresponding parts. Now if you name this first one as triangle DEF, then accordingly you are going to give the name to this second triangle. You cannot give the name randomly. You have to see what are the corresponding parts, and then you have to see how you have named the first one, and according to that you have to keep the name here. So now the corresponding part, now you are starting with D. So the corresponding parts of D is Q. So you're going to start with Q. And now the corresponding part of E is this 50 degree, E is R. So you're going to write here R. The corresponding part of E is R. And the corresponding part of F is P, because these two are 70, 70. So here you're going to write P. So here you will say triangle DEF is similar to triangle QRP. Now you cannot simply say triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. If you say PQR, then your naming is already wrong. Now once you name it correctly, then the corresponding parts, that is the corresponding sides here, it will be, you can say it by just looking at the name here. So DE, the corresponding part of DE line is QR line. Now DE, this is touching 60 and 50, so QR is touching 50 and 60. So the corresponding lines, corresponding sides of DE is QR, and EF is RP, and DF will be QP. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA, so the corresponding angles of this C will be A. So now look at this figure. So now look at this figure. Now the angle C is here, angle A is here. So these are two corresponding angles. So the angle which corresponds to this angle here in the another triangle is this angle. So these two angles are similar. So these two angles are the corresponding angles, so they are equal. So this is 55 degrees, so this will be also 55 degree. So here, therefore, angle OAB is equal to angle DCO, and this is 55 degree. So this DCO is 55 degree, so is angle OAB. So now we have got the all three angles. Angle DOC is 55 degree, angle DCO is also 55 degree, and the last one, that is angle OAB, also 55 degree. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Okay, so figure is not given here, so let's try to draw the figure according to this question. Now ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, let's draw trapezium here. Now trapezium is a type of quadrilateral in which two of its sides are parallel. So these two sides are parallel here, A, B, C, D, and the question says AB and DC are the parallel sides, that is AB is parallel to DC. So AB is parallel to DC. Now the diagonals intersect each other at the point O. So let's draw the diagonal. This is one of the diagonals and this is the another diagonal. Now they are intersecting at this point O. Now using similarity criterion triangle for two triangles, we have to show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Okay, so here we have to prove that OA by OC is equal to proof. Now let's take these two triangles I have shaded here. Now in triangles OAB and OCD. Now these two are vertically opposite angles, so this angle and this angle are equal. So angle AOB is equal to angle COD, because these two are vertically opposite angle. Opposite angles. Now this is our figure here. Now here's, according to question, this AB line and CD line are equal. Now since these two lines are equal, this alternate angles will be equal. Now recall this, these are two parallel lines and this is transversal. Now these two alternate angles are equal when these two lines are parallel. So here in our figure, these are two parallel lines and this is the transversal. So this angle and this angles are alternate angles, and these two angles, alternate angles, are equal. So angle this one OAB, angle OAB is equal to angle this one, angle OCD, since these two are alternate angles. Now what we have here is, in these two triangles, two angles of these triangles are equal to two angles of another triangle, two angles of the another triangle here. So since two angles each are equal, according to AA similarity, angle similarity, these two triangles are similar. So triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. Now this is by AA similarity. AA similarity, angle similarity. So angle similarity is very useful while solving the questions. To check whether two triangles are similar or not, it is very convenient to check whether two angles of one triangle are equal to another two angles of triangles, and if they are equal, then we can easily say that the two triangles are similar. So this is the usefulness of AA similarity. Now, since the two triangles are similar, now the corresponding sides are proportional. So this is what we have to remember. If two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are also equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. So this is what we have seen in the introduction. Now this is ABC, and let's say this is PQR. Now if these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal. That is the first point. And the second point is the corresponding sides will be proportional. That is AB by, if this and this are corresponding sides, then AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR. And this angle equal, this are equal, and this are equal. So since these two triangles are similar, now we can say that the corresponding sides are proportional. The corresponding part of OA is OC. So this OA and OC are corresponding sides. OA by OC is equal to the corresponding side parts of, now since we're going to prove that OA is equal by OC is equal to OB by OD, so we will try to get the corresponding part of OB. Now the corresponding part of OB will be OD. So here OB and OD. So OB by OD. So the corresponding parts of OA is OC, and the corresponding part of OB is OD. And if you have to write corresponding part of AB, then it will be CD. So this is what we need to prove here. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. So this is a very simple question.